Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I thought I'm gonna review this new keyboard that I got for Christmas behind there. It's the PSR-EW310. I got it for Christmas from my parents, and yeah, today I'm gonna review it for you, and I'm gonna see if it's good or not, and if you should buy it. I'm gonna link it in the description if you guys want to buy it after this video. And yeah, let's get right into the review.
So yes, this is it. This is the keyboard that I got. It's a 76 key keyboard. It's not fully weighted as you can see, and this may be a problem for someone because it's gonna be louder to play. Plastic is gonna sound louder, and also it's not gonna feel right to your hands. It's gonna be way too easy to press compared to a real piano. And these are some of the main problems with this keyboard, but the size is fairly good. It has a 76 keys, as I said before, and it's almost a full keyboard. A full keyboard or piano has 88 keys, so it's almost there. So you can play this low and up to this high. And you can't almost hear the high one because that's just really high pitchy. And another thing that it has is dual voice. And you press a button here that says dual on the keyboard, and then it's gonna sound different on different sides of the piano or keyboard. Like right now, it sounds like this on right. And this on the left. It sounds like a real piano on the left side, and I would say like a electric piano on the right side, or more like a synth on the right side. It also has this thing called the lesson mode, where you press song, and then you can learn different songs on this. I'm gonna show you how this looks. Okay, this is how it looks. I'm pressing there, you can see where I press. You can see where I press there. I'm just gonna turn off the dual voice. And as you can see there, you can see how it looks like when you press a key. And when you want to actually play something, you press on start or stop here. And as you can, it starts to play for me. It's not me. And how it plays is via these speakers right here. They're connected with some kind of, I guess, chip. It makes it play good. And it's a Yamaha keyboard. And it has two 8-watt speakers, I think, or two 4-watt speakers, something like that, some of those. And you can also play other songs, like, or learn other songs, like this is just a demo, but you can learn like this song. You can learn really many songs on this. And like this March song, I don't know what it's called, but you know, it sounds like this. And as you can see, I'm not playing. This is a really cool feature on this. It's one of the reasons that I wanted just this, because it has a really good learning system to learn a couple of pieces of the piano. And it has really many songs. Here are all the songs that comes included with the keyboard. As you can see, and you just, when you want to play that song, you come over here to the actual number pad where you press, if you want to press the play like for release, it's number 4 song, so you press 004, and for release plays right here. And if you want the faster version, you press 005, and it plays a little faster version of it, like this. You can also record yourself playing the piano with this record button right here, and that's really useful to see what faults you have in your piano play. So I think this feature on this piano is really cool, and you can also use different voices on this piano. So it also has memory button, a register memory, and function button, melody suppressor right there, and some other cool stuff on this. It has dual voice there, split voice, and also a music database. And you can also plug in and download your own music that you want to play on this piano. For instance, if you want to learn, like, I don't know, maybe the Avengers theme, then you can just plug in your computer cable here on the back side of this keyboard. I can't show you because it's bad lighting behind here, but it's right there where you put in the cord on the back side. And it has really cool different features that not a lot of other keyboards have. And it's one of the best learning systems because this also actually uses the keys on the piano. Some else maybe use octaves or sharp notes. I don't really know, octaves and claves or something, to present the learning system on their keyboard, but this actually uses keys so that you can see which you can play. Like now I'm pressing this key here, which is really cool actually, and it also shows how hard to press the key. Like I'm gonna press lightly now, and it's light, and press hard, and press the hardest. So you can see how hard you press, and also the measure button right there. So this is just really one of the coolest features on this piano. But if you want to buy a piano or keyboard, then I would go with like a fully weighted piano, because it's not gonna sound as plasticky as this, and it's gonna feel more right to your hand to play when you then go over to real piano, because now it's gonna be really easy for you to play these keys, but harder for you to play on the real piano. Like and it's gonna be harder for you to learn the real piano if you want to do that in the future, if you choose this piano. So I would choose a little more expensive but better piano with fully weighted keys, so you don't have to go over that process of learning the new pressure on the new piano, because it looks like this on this piano. It has these keys where you press 3 light. It's not hard to press at all, and down there it actually records that you have pressed on the keys. On a real piano or a digital piano, it uses kinds of more pressure. It needs more pressure to be pressed than one of these. So that's one of the cons, and one of the pros are that, well, it has this really awesome learning system, and it sounds pretty clear, as you can hear. It doesn't sound like a bad piano. But if you want a piano or keyboard that is really easy for you to press and is more for kids or more for beginners, then I would go with this. But if you want a little bit more pro level piano or keyboard, then I would go with the NP52 by Yamaha. It's a digital piano, one of the best, with fully weighted keys, and it sounds like this one, but it has two 8-watt speakers instead of two 5-watt speakers, which I think this has, and it is a generally better sounding piano than this, or keyboard. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and a like would be awesome. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.